The CORSAIR 4000D RS ATX case stands out with its FRAME Modular Case System, allowing for extensive customization options to suit any builder's needs. Equipped with 3 pre-installed CORSAIR RS ARGB PWM fans, this case ensures high airflow while maintaining quiet operation even during demanding tasks. The innovative InfiniRail Fan Mounting System offers incredible flexibility for fan placement, supporting configurations up to two 360mm radiators. Cable management is a breeze with the optional internal side panel, which can also be used to mount additional fans for enhanced cooling performance. The unique 3D Y-pattern airflow front panel is designed to optimize airflow, minimizing restrictions and ensuring effective cooling of internal components. With its spacious dimensions, the CORSAIR 4000D RS easily accommodates powerful graphics cards and advanced cooling setups, making it an ideal choice for high-performance builds.